This wig is a 10 out of 10. Have somebody's daddy buy it for you. It's worth it. Welcome up on Kids TV. So today's video is going to be over this beautiful unit that's XrsBeauty sent over at XrsBeauty. Always a pleasure. Thank y'all so much. Hold on, let me click Chloe out before she knocks my tripod over. Chloe, come on, let's go. Gotcha, nigga. Anyways, this beautiful unit, I'm looking at my phone because it has the specs, but it's a silky straight 13x6 undetectable clear lace. Let me go ahead before I get into the install. Let me just show y'all the lace. When I say clear and undetectable, that's what the fuck I mean. Like, this is no baby hairs. Like, what? Like, no baby hairs, baby. No baby hairs. I did a free part. It's 13x6, so I can do it like this. I could flip it. I could do whatever. I could, hey, holla. But yeah, I did throw some layers into it. I did not pluck it. I did not bleach it. I did not do any of this. XrsBeauty, whenever they say clear lace, undetectable, they did all that already. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair a 10, and I'm not playing. I wouldn't care if this was sponsored or not. I would give y'all the truth. And the truth is that this hair is a 10. Like I said, they actually sent over a paper showing clear lace versus HD lace. I just lost the paper, so I'm gonna just give it to y'all raw right there. Anyways, this is an install / review, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch that. All the specs will be down in the description box below. I will have a discount code for you guys to save some coin, because I mean, they're as affordable as they can be. You can't sell this for too cheap, because I mean, look at it. It didn't smell. It's not shedding. In case you thought I was lying, no shedding, no nothing, no issues. This wig is ready to plop on and go. It came with an adjustable strap. There's combs in the wig, all that. Like, sis, bouncy, flowy, no tangling. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. I did not curl it or layer it on camera. I used this as a curler, which I think is 1.5 inches. And then I just used this and I just did like this. If you want a detailed video on me layering and curling my wigs to achieve this specific look, then I will do my next dedicated video over that. But this video, I really wanted to install and review. This wig is a 10 out of 10. Have somebody's daddy buy it for you. It's worth it. And use my code. But anyways, if you want to watch me install this and get the details on this beautiful lace, then just keep watching.